Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can see your heart rate data on the Notify for Xiaomi app. To see your heart rate data, the first step would be to go into here, the home screen, and tap on the heart rate module. Tap on it and you're going to see your data. You can pick the different amounts of time across which you want to see it. 24 hours, 1 hour, 1 week. Maybe even this trends button to see across different weeks, and just maybe even months, which is going to show the averages and data from weeks consolidated into one, and from the year, which is going to show the same but for the months as a whole. You can, of course, instead of this, also look here to see your different amounts of time in which your heart was working at a given intensity. You can, in here again, go instead into device. Here scroll down to fitness report and tap on heart. This is going to show your heart reports across different days. Another thing you can look into is weekly fitness data. Here you may see your weekly heart rate right here. Another thing you could look at, if you don't see it here, you can go into list order and make sure its heart is turned on. And on the home menu, if it isn't visible, try to scroll down to the very bottom and tap home order and make sure heart is turned on here too. If this video was helpful to you, please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment down below.